Welcome and congratulations on purchasing your set of shock strips. You've made an important investment in helping your athlete avoid helmet-to-helmet injuries on the playing field. Now that you've received your shock strips, it's important to learn how to place them properly on your helmet. Gather the items you need: your helmet, your set of shock strips, a 70 to 30% mixture of rubbing alcohol and water, and tweezers. What you will want to do first is clean the entire helmet, even if it's new, to remove any residual dirt or grease. Once cleaned, you can place the strips. You'll notice that some helmets have bladder inlets, and we must be careful not to cover these up. The first strip will be placed down the center of the helmet, and if able, under the nameplate on the front of the helmet. Notice that with proper placement, you will avoid the bladder inlet. Double check the proper placement of the strip before you remove the adhesive liner. Next, remove the liner on the back with the tweezers and go ahead and place the first center strip. We will then continue by placing the second and the third strips. Line up the strips against the front corner of the helmet, and on this particular helmet we will use the vent line as a landmark. Remove the liner and place your strips on. Now for the side strips. On this helmet, I will use the front corner of the face mask as one positioning point and the vent as the other. Remove the liner and place the fourth and fifth strips along the sides of the helmet. As you can see, there is a bladder inlet on the top of this helmet, and we'll use this as a landmark for our sixth and seventh strips. Notice that the rear strips are approximately 2 to 4 inches apart. Remove the liner and place the strips. Once all of your strips have been placed, flip the helmet over and with moderate downward pressure, roll over each strip from front to back to activate the pressure-sensitive adhesive on the strips. Now, within 24 hours, your athlete is ready to head out onto the field with confidence that they have extra protection against helmet-to-helmet impacts. Thanks for watching.